Here is a quick video to show you how to make sugar syrup suitable for most of the desserts like وربات, شعبيات, كنافة, قطايف, baklava. I make sugar syrup, but I make it thicker, so it's not the same recipe here. It's not the same measurement, let's say. It's the same concept, same method, same everything, but different measurement. So I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of sugar with 3/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and at the end, if you want to flavor it with blossom water, rose water, you add that at the end once you turn it off. If you wanted a plain sugar syrup without the flavoring of rose water and blossom water, you just follow the same steps. Okay, let's watch together. I'm gonna add the sugar. Okay. I want to time it because I never time my sugar syrup. I just know when it's ready, but I'm gonna time it just to see how long it will take. Okay, my sugar syrup is ready. It's done, and my timer is saying it's been cooking for 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes, and that's how it should be. Okay, from the minute I put it on the stove, it was on medium high, and I start cooking it till now, it's 6 minutes. It's done. So at this point, if you want the flavoring, you add it. I wanted a plain sugar syrup for the knafe, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Hope you try it and with your dessert. Thank you.